The whirlwind dance. I don't believe this. Neither I nor my sister could master it. How did you learn it? It's thanks to a certain someone who is assigning me a really good martial instructor. Whirlwind dance. Whirlwind explosion. Young Master Yu Chang lost to Young Master Wen Wei, and in a single strike to finish his opponent in a single move were a huge upset. Tang on how does Young Master Wen Wei know the whirlwind dance? I told you he had a finishing move. Don't just brush it off there like that. Yeah, you were right, I wanted. So, what do you guys think? Does that wind look different from the wind we used to follow? Are you saying that Young Master Wen Wei has the same wind talent as the branch head? Though it could still use some work, he managed to create a whirlwind in just 10 days. That's the kind of talent he will. It might be too early to make a decision, but keeping tab on him is worthwhile. At least don't you agree? Besides, I don't know if they were just empty words, but he claimed he would inherit the whirlwind squad. How can I not have high expectations? Why is he still whirlwind? No way. Sister, would you also like to have a duel with your little brother as lacking as I may be? Young Master Wen Wei's sister, does that mean she is young lady Tang Yujin, the current heir of the Nine Dragon Branch family? Now that I'm taking a closer look, you're right. She must have returned from Quencheng in time for the Dark Sovereign's visit. I don't recognize her because it's been a few years. Does this mean we'll get to see a duel between Young Master Wen Wei and his mastery of the whirlwind dance and the greatest prodigy of the Sichuan clan, young lady Guijin? This duel will be on a completely different level than the previous one. We sure are looking out today. To think we would see the skills of thousands petal beauty, Tang Guijin, Tang Guijin, Tang Guijin. Seems like things are heating up down there. Changon, do you think Young Master Wen Wei stands a chance? He shouldn't be skilled enough to face her yet. What is he thinking? Defeating Young Master Chang will be enough to increase his standing within the branch family. If he can beat Young Guijin, he could even aim to be a successor. But if he loses, he'll just make his sister the star of today's event. Even the young lady should know this is a bad move on his part. Wen Wei, what are you thinking? If no one else were around, I wouldn't care about saving face. But with eyes on us, it would be a stain on the clan's reputation for me to shy away. Why are you being so considerate? He's the one who picked this fight. I know you are itching for a fight. Be honest and follow your instincts now. Wen Wei has been abused far too much. I need to prioritize him over the reputation of the clan. Sister, what has you thinking so hard? This is just a friendly duel. Don't you think you are worrying too much? You can just enjoy it. I can enjoy it, even though I've been holding back so much. Coach Yu Tang, Lady Guizhen has stepped up to the stage. I am Tang Guizhen, successor of the Tang clan, Nine Dragon Branch family, and discipline of Quechang sect's Sun Qing Palace. I have received the teaching of monk who, for 5 years, in the one energy of heaven and earth and sword of discharged lightning of extreme light are my specialty. The people of the martial realm have graced me with the title of Thousand Future Beauty. I hope that this will be an honorable duel. I am the second child of the nine dragons branch family Tang Moon V. I've been taught by the fierce gal warrior Tang Gon on, and I have mastered the whirlwind dance. Please do not go easy on me and share your wisdom with me. The duel is set. Sister, you seem to be delighted. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been this excited. Don't you think you are a bit too excited? How can I not be, my dear Hunri wants to have a duel with his big sister. Well then, are you ready, big sister? Why, yes, I'm so. Let's start already. Oh my, yes, the superior, can't you at least give me a 3-second head to start? Well, when chance cutting northwind's technique. So this was the technique you used yesterday to block my sword. I guess that means I can swing as hard as I want. Besides, why should I give you a head start? You told me to not go easy and to enjoy it. She's fast. In that case, Saruki, set off after me. You are even using your tank technique. You are blew me away. However, it's still half backed. Oh. Since when was the swordsmanship of Kuai Chang so violent? Oh, this isn't Kuai Chang's swordsmanship. But since you are hiding the energy you showed yesterday, I'm going to keep secrets too. If that's the case, fine, I'll show you. Poison Dragon Assess Art. Ghost Dragon Release, yeah. That's it. That Poison Key and Ghost Key. I've been itching to fight against it.